This is professionalism, yo.
How did the meeting go with the business?
Today we're gonna do some voice recording with each of you guys, getting some sound effects in for our short film project Kicks. It really was disjointed no matter how much Chris and I could edit it. So our best bet is to record you, Adam, Kevin.
Individually and then stack them?
Yeah, let's stack them all together at the appropriate length up to the moment that Ian knocks you back into Chris.
Cool.
3, 2, 1. What the? What the? No.
You said close fist.
I saw my light flash before.
Adam,
You told me to dodge, and I just see this like.
My bad. I'm really glad he didn't dodge like left. Like that would have been really disastrous.
To the left, to the
Cause I
left.
just... Dude, can we get like an animator here so I could just go off and have my own like? I'm so ready to play like the deep voice villain.
Dude, like, can I just yell at things? Like, can I have a role when I just yell at things? Like, I could be a barbarian and it'd be so good.
I know these are definitely not the aspirations that an actor should have. You just get real buff and just like break pencils every day and like telephones like hello. Just break. Yeah, thanks guys. Awesome. I can't wait for it to come out.
And like watch the weight of the mic.
Is it this one?
No, just this now. Let's see. You weren't here when like you came in later, so.
Caress the mic.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh my god, this is on camera. Oh,
To go over stuff, when Ian starts scrambling up, that's when you start making your noise, and then after Julian passes, you stop.
Tenor right now.
No, I'm going outside, man.
And then run backwards.
I don't know how low I can go.
Oh my god, this looks so sick.
How low can you go?
So pretty much you start yelling when Ian's scrambling up here, and then
Or some
yeah, and after Julian passes through, you stop.
That's a bit loud.
I mean, like I can like always lower it, but that's not bad for a first take.
I'm gonna try hate this time.
Hey!
When you aggressively really want to meet someone.
Hi! I like your shoes!
Hey! Hey! What the
Wait, powering up? You need to cue me in, man!
Oh, I have to cue you twice. Okay, that was good. Let's do another one. Okay, let's do another one.
Do you get s'mores like that? Oh.